more Vagabond vacations to Tulum. We're back in Caleta Tanca, one of our all-time favorites because it's a private beach. We're gonna take advantage of that privacy today. We're gonna do some more glitter shooting because we love a little bit of shine. Body oil and glitter, that's gonna be the basic to create a very beautiful full body glitter. We're gonna keep the panties on. Let's keep it friendly for YouTube. This is gonna be the first model. It's Magali. I'm gonna have Alessia glitter her up. Alessia couldn't control herself, so she went and started shooting with somebody. So we decided to do this glitter ourselves.
We're on the hunt now for a place to shoot.
Looks really nice.
Yeah. I think this photo is really gonna have everything. The location, the light, the model is just super unique with the blue glitter. One is taking some backlit shots right now because that's probably gonna look amazing as well with the glitter boom, giving a nice rim light to the model. We're doing some location scouting here with the gang. We might have found the first spot. Couple swings here in the shade, which is gonna be easy to shoot now that the sun is still a little bit bright. Actually, this looks pretty cool. We are a little bit camouflaged today for this location with the green.
That's beautiful. Gorgeous.
Lei is doing the ninja walk, as you can see here. This is how you get stable video. You keep the knees bent and you walk slowly and steady. This is sometimes why you shouldn't go too quickly to another location or change model. You start off by taking the normal shots, but then somebody gets an idea, which is a little bit more creative, like what just happened with the pose. Well, Alessia started doing yoga a month ago, and now the poses come in handy. The flexibility, the pose, how to fly like a bird. Is this a yoga pose?
I think it's a mix between yoga and my dance.
It's again maybe the female creator that brings that out. I never see this with a model for some reason.
Yeah,
but I like it.
I think feminine like energy with the shoot, it comes off a little softer. My style is, I mean, I love women in general, like the bodies are just beautiful, but I look at it as art. The boys club, sometimes they're just like open booty shots, titties, you know. Which is all nice and beautiful.
So we're gonna try to make a shot where Alessia will be hanging like a monkey on that little gazebo here, and maybe try to get the palm tree in there with the sea as the background. But the light is gonna be okay actually. I'm not sure about this anymore. It's really, really good because the winds and the hair is blowing. Oh, here we go, guys. Alright, we got our painter of the day, Alessia, who's now covering Amy. Only you. What's up with the stick, guys?
We just found it. She's Island Goddess.
No, but I like that, using props from the location, Oh,
Double capping it.
This is actually really chill.
Super amazing. I never shot anything like this before. This is stuff you only get in Vagabond vacations, guys. Honestly, if the link is down below, I book your own vacation. Because this stuff, where else you gonna be shooting? Gorgeous.
Juan, you are amazing.
Mac decided to do the glitter as well after seeing the photos that Juan just took from the other model, but they're gonna quickly grab the urban Cali style photo before turning her into a glitter mermaid.
You see the 4 beautiful palm trees over there behind us. We're gonna frame Meg in the middle on this little ledge with a strong pose, arms in the air. I'll make one horizontal, one too.
Don't forget this as photographers, we're so used to shooting vertical right now for Instagram, so sometimes remember to take a landscape style shot because it shows off the location way more. Oh, getting in the flow with the music.
Maculato.
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 I think Brandon is learning Italian here.
I'm trying.
English classes and Italian classes with Vagabond.
Maculato.
Maculato.
Don't come here for the Spanish or English or Italian class. We noticed that there was a nice color contrast between the blue on the model, then the color of the seaweed, and then the blue again of the water in the background.
Actually, it looks good. A lot of people say, I don't like the photos with Sargasso. Look this.
Now, of course, the model today is also very special. In Vagabond, we always try to make the best of every situation. Now, right now, we showed up to a beach that 2 months ago was super clean, no seaweed at all, and now it's covered in it. But actually, the shots are turning out way better than expected, way different than usually, because normally people don't shoot when you have this seaweed on the beach. We decided to try it anyways, and it's actually turning out super amazing. Right now we got 2 models together. We're gonna look for the 3rd one. I really like the stick.
Yeah, it feels wild.
This looks actually really cool. This is very vagabond. I don't know how to describe this, but these 2 creatures, let's say, roaming around the planet, discovering new places. Very vagabond. You like it, Clay?
I like it a lot.
And the 3rd girl just arrived.
Power Ranger.
What if we did the pool where those blocks are in the middle of the pool and each one of you is on each block?
I found this cool spot here. It's really awesome that you have these little steps in the water, and the girls are now going to try to do some yoga poses. This was actually awesome. The models had this idea themselves, putting their feet on the same block in the water. They're more connected. An interesting shot together instead of more separate on the block. The 2 models on the outside are now holding each other's hands to have some natural censorship. The last model is joining, so now we will have 4 glitter models. Dario found a new little spot here for the idea of the models. This looks really good.
Down in there, girl.
Megan has panties, so that's why she will be in the back and Alicia can cover it. The gold color from the glitter is almost the same as the plant. There is this nice monochrome look. The girls decided to hide a little bit more in the plant, so it feels almost like watching some interesting creatures in their natural habitat. Got one last cenote somewhere here in the back. This one is a little bit more secret, a little bit more hidden. Let's find out how it looks.
The girls look ready, so I'm ready too. I hope you are.
What are you waiting for, man?
Yeah, let's go shooting.
Dario has a 50mm lens, so that's why the models will stay here. And he's all the way over there in the plant, trying to get some framing going, and you know, a little bit more of a wide shot that shows the environment, but still with a tight lens, which gives always a very cool, different look to the image. Well, that's why you come to the Vagabond vacation, to shoot something you've never shot before.
Oh no, I never shot this before. This I can promise you.
Pose for me. Yeah, from here. Both look to the camera. Wow. Go again. Mosquitoes are coming to the light.
Yeah, I know.
I love to see it on the Vagabond vacations. People working in a team, both the models and the photographers.